Hello everyone, and welcome to the LaSalle University Virtual Open House. My name is Penny Grobe, and I am the director of the Business Scholars Co-op program. I hope through this video that you will learn a little bit more about this great experiential education program and look forward to receiving your application. The co-op program was launched in 2004. We are graduating in a few short weeks, our 13th class for the program. In the Business Scholars Co-op program, you graduate in 4 years with up to 12 months worth of professional work experience. Other programs at other universities and colleges can take up to 4.5 or 5 years to complete. You will take co-op sections of courses throughout your 4 years. You will also be participating in professional workshops and events that are specifically designed for business scholars. All 2019 Business Scholar graduates accepted professional job offers or were accepted into graduate school programs prior to graduation. Throughout the program, you will receive one-on-one advising. You will also have a personalized approach to exploring professional paths, given your decision on choice of majors and what you see long-term as a professional avenue you would like to pursue. You do not have to choose only one of our signature programs. Yes, you can participate in several of our programs, including University Honors, the 4-year BS MBA in Accounting, the Business Leadership Fellows Program, and even our student athletes can participate in Business Scholars along with our other signature programs. You will be assigned an alumni mentor who has graduated from the program as well. Now, how do you get into the program? There are 2 entry points. One is prior to attending LaSalle, and the second is once you've chosen to come to LaSalle and be a freshman in the fall of 2020. The program requirements are: if you received a 1270 or higher on your SATs and you have a 3.5 or higher cumulative GPA average, you should have received an expression of interest, and we ask that you return that to us so we know that you are interested in moving forward with the program. If you have an 1100 or higher on your SATs with that same 3.5 GPA, you should have received an email from me with the link to the application. We are looking for your extracurricular and leadership from high school to be a part of this program. If you don't meet these requirements initially and you still choose to come to LaSalle, we do have a second level of acceptance. If you receive a 3.5 or higher GPA in the first semester at LaSalle and a B in your financial accounting class, you will be asked to complete an application at that time. Business Scholars by the numbers. As I mentioned earlier, you can participate in one or more of our signature programs at LaSalle. 59% of our current students do just that. Some of our impact employers are Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, the Philadelphia Eagles, Johnson & Johnson, Chubb, Kreischer Miller, AmerisourceBergen, and SAP, to name a few. You will, as I mentioned earlier, have an alumni mentor assigned to you during your 4 years at LaSalle. Happening now, class of 2020, Alexander Wilson has just been awarded the National Co-op Student of the Year from the Cooperative Education and Internship Association. We hope to be nominating you 4 years from now. I hope I've answered most of your questions. If not, please feel free to email me at grobe, G-R-O-B, at lasalle.edu, or to call 215-951-5113. I'm happy to have a Zoom conference, a phone call, or exchange information over email. Congratulations on your acceptance to LaSalle, and we look forward to seeing you in August. Thanks, and have a great rest of your senior year.